That's what he was saying.
Just go in the front and the back.
Okay, in emergency, what I should do?
Here, just put it on.
This one?
Working?
In emergency.
Huh? Yeah,
that?
in emergency. It's self-inflicted.
Who, her? No, she's from Russia.
I know, but somebody told me they were
Now, who's in the front?
No, I was
Who's in the
Russia.
back?
He's screwed up. Her and I are in the back.
He's ready to die.
He's in the front. We're in the back.
We're over here. You want to fly it?
You said you're from Russia.
Yeah,
She's from Russia, yeah.
Battlefield 3, I could probably
St. Petersburg.
He thinks he can fly this.
All right. That's good. Where was that?
I don't have
That's our
medical
pilot.
insurance.
I'm Jim.
Kyle. Okay.
Kyle?
We'll get it.
Lyle?
Kyle.
Kyle? My son's name's Kyle.
Here, I still bang my head.
I don't have medical insurance.
It's okay. You want to go in the other side or this side?
Information. I don't know which side was more safe.
You have to go in here. He's got to go on the other side.
Okay, you come with me.
Your husband's here is not
Woo.
appropriate.
Oh, you want to film this?
Yeah, I'm already filming it now.
Oh, you talking and everything?
Yep.
Huh? From one Harley dude to another.
That's
huh?
right.
I'm not going to swim.
We're not going to die, trust me. This guy's a certified pilot.
All
Well,
right.
I don't know. He
He's
just
a
got his
little mechanic, my real
just
pilot
got his
on the
license
street.
online for 1995.
Oh, did he?
Yes.
It's $20.
1990. No, 1995.
Tipping pilot is optional,
5
but
cents.
Oh,
Where am I? Am I sitting on it? I got it.
got it.
Yep.
Let me help you here. Oh my God!
I'm sucking in.
who taught you that? Oh,
I got that.
nice.
Oh, he's
It
speaking
didn't have to be
Russian?
that tight,
Who
I'm
taught
sorry.
you that?
I worked with a bunch of Russians for
Oh, really? Oh, I see.
All I know is
Have fun.
Привет, меня зовут Kyle Costello.
Oh, very nice. Very
What
nice.
did you just say?
You know Americans love that.
He said, hello, my name is Kyle. How are you doing?
That's all I
Very
know.
good, Kyle.
If I gotta get the Italian
I'm going to
woman
teach you
follow
some
the
bad
Italian, that'd be
words
a
just in
different
case.
story.
You don't find a lot of Italian women here.
or so, I can't.
Nibel.
Stubborn.
It's a really bad. I can't remember exactly how to say it. I can find it in a minute.
Okay, I'll teach you. Don't worry. Okay, we're ready
There we
to
go.
die. Hey.
No, not ready to die.
Danger, tail, some stay out.
Ready to fly, not die.
We're flying, dude. We're flying, man.
brother.
We're flying, brother.
Hey, send in the juicy.
We're flying, baby.
Very nice.
Very nice.
I have no medical insurance.
It's a hell of a bar line, too. Okay.
Wow, yeah.
You're buckled in. You're cool.
That's cool. We're gonna be deaf after that. Deaf.
Nah, it'll be fine.
Oh,
Say it. Oh, fucking oh.
I got my adrenaline in my blood.
There, see if we can see it.
Keep it out the whole time, right?
I'm trying. Depends on how much memory I got.
Don't kill me, please.
I'll try not to. Don't worry. I gotta do that.
I'm scared now.
You're scared? Nah, don't be scared. Here, hold on.
That line goes out. We'll go.
Here we go. We're going up. You ready? Here we go. Yes, man. an hour right now.
Are we? 110? 110 miles an hour? Cool, man.
That's awesome.
Are we going to fly over the mooring area or what? Are we going to fly over where all the boats are at?
I can fix that too much.